Today, there are only two kinds of people in the world. Ones that get all excited when they hear words like crypto, blockchain, NFTs, and others who get a bit nervous because they don't really understand much about these terms. They think that only some tech geeks are making insane amounts of money buying and selling these. Now, it doesn't matter under which category you fall. I've got some very exciting news to share. You can now create and sell NFTs and make $169 to $500 several times a day without an ounce of knowledge or experience about NFTs, even if you didn't know that NFTs actually stood for non-fungible tokens until now. Welcome to NFTMintrz, the world's first 3-in-1 NFT system that makes us $169 to $500 every 30 minutes. Take a look at this, and this, and this. That's the kind of money we've been making regularly, without incurring any expenses and without doing any hard work. Yes, every time I check my bank balance, I see that I've received several $169 to $500 payments. This is my money. I can do whatever I want with this money. I can save it, invest it, or spend it on whatever I want. Spoil my family, take a vacation with my friends, buy myself a new car, whatever I want. But how do I do this? Simple. I use NFTMintrz to collect these $169 to $500 payments several times a day. Here's exactly what I do. I simply log into NFTMintrz and choose a design template. If I want, I can start with a blank canvas as well. Next, I customize my template to make NFT art with this simple and intuitive NFT generator. It takes just a few seconds to do that. That's it. I make $169 to $500 by selling my NFTs on marketplaces like OpenSea, or I simply sell my NFT design services on platforms like Fiverr. Mind-blowing, right? Wait, it gets even better. In just one click, I can even start my own completely ready-to-profit affiliate site, where I can allow others to trade in NFTs, sending me a nice cut on every transaction. Did you know an estimated 250,000 people trade NFTs each month on marketplaces like OpenSea? Imagine if even a tenth of that started trading on your affiliate website. That's completely done for you. The kind of money you'll be making is quite unthinkable. And that too without any budget, design skills, or crypto and blockchain knowledge. Now, you must be thinking that something like NFTMintrz would be quite expensive, right? Well, yes. Given that we spent thousands of dollars building it from the ground up, we could realistically sell this for a $997 monthly fee. After all, this is responsible for making us thousands of dollars per day. So $997 per month is a very fair price. But we want people to get access to NFTMintrz and make insane profits just like us. There are billions of people around the world who want to buy and sell NFTs, so there's no shortage of the amount of profits to be made here. So, during the exclusive launch period, we're doing something we have never done before, which means you're not going to pay $997 a month, or even $97 a month. In fact, you're not going to have to pay monthly at all. By hitting the button below right now, you get instant access to NFTMintrz for a heavily discounted, one-time only price. But wait, it gets better. To celebrate this special launch, we're also giving away 5 fast action bonuses worth thousands of dollars at absolutely zero charge. And to make this a total no-brainer for you, we've made sure that there's absolutely zero risk to you with our ironclad 365-day money-back guarantee. Now, the only way you lose is if you don't take action on this incredible deal right now. But you must hurry and act fast, because the price goes up every 30 minutes. If you wait, you will pay more. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you're one of the first 150 buyers, you'll also get our best-selling NFTMintrz Advantage Edition, worth $2,997, absolutely free. Using this, our average beta testers have doubled their income. But I must warn you, we're going to sell only a limited number of copies of NFTMintrz. Once we reach that number, we're going to end this special launch. The only way you'll be able to get access to NFTMintrz after that would be by paying $497 per month. And that too when we open NFTMintrz again for the public in about 6 months' time. As with all our products, we're deliberately keeping this gap of 6 months so that everyone who takes action and gets access to NFTMintrz during this special launch can maximize profits before others jump in and saturate the market. So if you want to get your copy of this rare software at the lowest one-time cost and in just one click transform your life, then click the button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to NFTMintrz. And one last thing, if you fail at making profits with NFTMintrz, we'll pay you $300. Yes, that's right. If for some reason you aren't able to make money with NFTMintrz, just let us know within the next 365 days, and not only will we refund your entire purchase price, we'll also throw in $300 from our own pockets for wasting your time. That's how confident we are in NFTMintrz. So hurry, click the button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.